7 little kittens were learning how to hunt mice, but the mice had a secret plan. A plan so clever, it made the kittens turn against each other. And what happened next changed everything. There was a mother cat who lived in a large house. One day, this mother cat gave birth to 7 kittens. The tiny kittens were so adorable. They had colorful fur, their eyes sparkled brightly, and they kept saying, "Meow, meow." They climbed over one another and played all the time. When the lady of the house first saw them, she complained a little.
"Who is going to take care of all of them now? Our cat had so many babies."
But as the days passed, she got used to watching the kittens. When she saw them playing, a small smile appeared on her face without her even noticing. Finally, she placed some old clothes inside a basket and made a soft little bed for the kittens. The 7 kittens grew a little more every day. They ate, drank, and slept. Sometimes they played with each other, and sometimes they played with their mother's tail. But they were growing up now. One day, the mother cat gathered all her kittens around her. Her eyes were serious, but her voice was gentle. "You are not little babies anymore," she said. "It is time for you to learn how to be real cats." The kittens listened carefully. The mother cat continued, "One of the most important things a cat must learn is how to catch mice." Then she began explaining how mice move. She told them that mice are very fast, that they walk very quietly, and that when they sense danger, they hide in an instant. She explained the importance of being patient, being careful, and waiting for the right moment. But while the mother cat was explaining all of this, there was something nobody noticed. From a tiny hole in the wall, a mouse was listening to them. The little mouse opened its eyes wide and listened carefully to everything the mother cat said from beginning to end. Then suddenly it turned around and started running, because behind that hole, 7 mouse siblings lived together. The mouse shouted while trying to catch its breath, "Disaster! The cats are learning how to hunt mice!" The other mice looked at it in surprise. "What are you talking about?" "The kittens have grown up. Their mother is teaching them how to catch mice." Suddenly, they all became silent. One of them spoke in fear. "This is very bad. This house is no longer safe." Another mouse quickly said, "Let's leave this place right now." But one of them objected. "No, this is our home." The mice thought for a while, unsure of what to do. Just then, the smartest-looking mouse spoke slowly. "Maybe we can defeat the cats." Everyone looked at it. "Are you crazy?" one of them said. The mouse smiled. "Not with strength, with intelligence." The others moved closer with curiosity. "What do you mean?" The mouse explained its plan. "We will tell each kitten that it is stronger than the others." The mice were surprised. The mouse continued, "We will also tell each of them that they are smarter than the others. Each one will believe they should be the leader. Then they will start fighting with each other." The mice looked at one another. Then slowly they began to laugh. The plan really was very clever. "Great idea," they said, and they immediately decided to put the plan into action. After a while, one of the kittens curiously walked toward the mouse hole. It stuck its nose inside. It was trying to see what was in there. Just then, the mice spoke. "Smart kitty, smart kitty." The kitten was surprised. "Are you talking to me?" "Of course we are," said the mice. "You are very strong, very smart, and very beautiful." The kitten felt proud. The mice continued, "Why shouldn't a cat like you become the leader of the others?" The kitten thought for a moment. Then it whispered to itself, "Actually, I really am very smart." It puffed out its chest. "I should be the leader." It quickly ran to its siblings. "From now on, I am your leader," it shouted. The other kittens looked at it in surprise. Then one of them laughed. You, the leader, another one said. Who do you think you are? The kitten became angry. But I am stronger and smarter than all of you. The others shouted, No, you're not. The argument grew louder and louder. Soon they were all shouting. And suddenly, a fight broke out. The kittens started pushing and scratching each other. The mother cat tried to stop them. Stop, she shouted. But nobody was listening. Each one wanted to be the leader. The mice watched everything from inside the hole. After a while, they burst out laughing. Their plan had worked. As the days passed, the kittens fought more and more. The house was always full of noise. Finally, the lady of the house couldn't stand it anymore. One day, she grabbed the kittens one by the scruff of their necks. She carried them outside into the yard. Then she shut the door and shouted, Do whatever you want out there. The kittens were left sitting in front of the door. For the first time, they were separated from their mother. They sat there quietly. After a while, one of them spoke. We were tricked. Another one whispered, The mice. At that moment, they all realized the truth. But it was already too late. The door never opened again. The kittens waited in front of the house for a long time. Finally, they understood that they would have to live on their own. One by one, they walked in different directions. And from that day on, they never forgot one important lesson. When brothers and sisters turn against each other, someone else always wins. We have come to the end of another story. Until we meet again in another tale, for now, goodbye.